Yeah, hi. Yeah, hello everyone. So yesterday we started about what is software development life cycle and what is that how that the test case is derived. Everything we talked about that, right? If you need any information, just to go through the yesterday video. So today onwards, the most excited topic is Selenium. So we are going to talk about Selenium. First of all, what do you mean by Selenium? Selenium is the UI automation testing APA. Okay, so you will feel that actually in the market there are so many automation testing tools, right? So why Selenium is more preferred one means because Selenium is completely free. Okay, and moreover, it is supporting in the different programming language. Okay, what in the different programming language? If we go to this particular Selenium site, right? If we go to this selenium.dow site, okay, it is, you can find it. Selenium is supporting for Selenium with the Java combinations, Selenium with the Python combinations, Selenium with C Sharp combination, Selenium with Ruby, Selenium with JavaScript, Selenium with Kotlin. So these are all the different stuff is supported by Selenium. Okay, in our topic is we are going to cover Selenium with Java. Again, one more benefit is if you learned the Selenium with Java, you can work on the Selenium with C Sharp easily because almost only the syntax is little bit different. Remaining everything, no, what is that changes actually. Okay, team, give me a minute. Okay, someone joined. Who is that? Hello, are you able to hear me? Who joined here? Satish, Sriram, are you able to hear me? Okay, great. So please listen carefully this one. I apologize for that actually. I didn't notice that actually today is a daylight saving. So, the time is completely changed, right? So we are 1 hour ahead of yesterday time because today onwards the daylight saving started. So I mentioned to audience is 7:30, but due to daylight saving, we are 1 hour ahead. India people 1 hour back. Sorry for that. Anyway, people who are not able to attend that go through this particular training. Okay, then fine. So yesterday we talked about this manual test case, right? Okay, sorry. Selenium. Selenium is supporting the different language I told, right? What is the different language? These are all the one. Okay, fine. Now, what is the use of the Selenium? With the help of the Selenium, what I did actually, we are going to automate the test case. What I did actually yesterday, I'm just to recap. This is a manual test case, right? This is a manual test case. Verify system displays login successfully message. Okay, this is the one we are talking about. This is a manual test case. Why they are calling is a manual test case? Because we are executing manually. What we are going to do? Open the Chrome browser. Okay, this is a Chrome browser I open. What I'm going to do? I'm going to type this. Okay, okay. What I'm going to do? Enter the username is Mercury. Okay, enter the username is Mercury. Again, password is Mercury. Again, click on the submit button. Okay, verify login messages displayed or not, right? That's what my question, right? Okay, verify the login successfully messages displayed or not. This is a message. So this is the test case is expecting that. This is the expected result, right? Okay. System should display the login message after clicking on the submit button. Sorry for the submit button, right? Suppose for example, here is it's a only one data. Assume that actually instead of Mercury, I have Sriram. Password is Sriram123. Okay. Similarly, Vengat. Password is Vengat123. Okay. Likewise, I have 100 username and password. 100 username and password. What will happen? It's a kind of, unnecessarily every time you have to enter the username and password and verify the message, username password. So it's a kind of continuously it is taking our manual efforts, our human efforts. Time also it is going to consume that actually. But if you automate this particular test cases, these are all the test case, right? If we automate these test cases, then no need, what do we need to do? Simply run the script. The script will take it. If it has failed, it will report the result. That's all. Later, as you can do the analysis. Automatically, what will happen? If this single TC, assume that if this single TC taking 1 minute means it means one scenario, Mercury, that particular testing, it is taking for 1 minute means assume that you have 100 data. So how much time it will take? It will take for 100 minutes. If it is 1000 means 1000 minutes. So what will happen? Your manual efforts is going to be wasted. Okay. So to avoid that only, we are automating that. Okay. Very, very simple. Okay. The same test case. How I automated? Later I will start from the scratch. Okay. I will start from the scratch, but for your curiosity, I'm just automated this one, okay? If I go here is, what I did, launch the Chrome browser. This is the one I did it. Open the URL. This is I did it. I will explain everything from the scratch, okay? Enter the username. I did it. Enter the password. I did it. Click on the sign in button. I did it here. Verify the message. I did it here. Okay. So how I'm going to run? Simply, I'm going to run it. See that? Set up everything. I will start from scratch, from scratch onwards. Okay. What it is happening? It is opening the URL. Am I doing that? System is doing that. Automatically, system is doing that. See that my test case is passed. You will feel that, bus, how it is happening. That's what we are going to talk about that. How the stuff is happening, everything we are going to talk about in the session. See that my test is passed. What is my test case? Verify member creation is success or verify sign in success, whatever it is. This is a test case name. Now you will feel that, okay, there is no main. Yes, there is no main. There is no main method. Okay, we'll start from slowly. Okay, now converting these cases into manual cases, right? Whatever the things we are going to do, we need Selenium. Why? Because to launch the browser, to interact with the browser, we need Selenium. Okay, to create the utility function, we need Java. To verify the expected and actual result, you need any unit testing framework. Okay, any unit testing framework, you'll feel that. What is a unit testing framework actually? The unit testing framework is could be JUnit or TestNG. Okay, I am planning to use TestNG. Okay, then what do you need? You had to build the application, right? For that you need Maven. Okay, you need unit testing framework, and what do you need? You need Maven. What is the use of this Maven? Maven is it will build the code. You will feel that actually. Plus, what do you mean build the code? Earlier is we have the only the Java code, right? What is how it is compiled actually with the help of JDK we compiled, right? But right now is what are the code we have? We have Selenium, Core Java, unit testing framework. So these are the different technology, right? Different library or different software. So we have to compile this all the different languages, right? So for that only we are going to use Maven. Maven is a project object management tool. Okay, you'll feel that bus. So learning Maven is really tough, nothing, very easy. Please remember carefully. We need Selenium, we need Core Java, we need TestNG, okay, we need Maven. Okay, if you want, we can have any kind of reporting tool. Okay, now we already learned the Java. We know, we know it right very well. So same concept, we are going to use it in this coming session. If you are not good at this one, then it will be a little bit difficult learning further. Okay, go through that in my previous sessions, whatever the 12 or 14 sessions are there, you go through that. Okay, and to Selenium will enter the username password, right? For that only we need some kind of selectors or locators. We can call it as how the selectors are. You can use XBAR or CSS, or there are some other strategy. We are going to learn all the stuff. Let's go for, okay, you need some kind of project to perform this activity, right? Some kind of project. That is nothing but a Maven project. Okay, how to create this Maven project? First of all, right? Go to this file, new, other, then Maven. Go to this Maven. Click it on next. Okay, here is it will say this, use default work location. It's fine. Whatever the work location you want, you can. Otherwise, if you want, you can keep it in specific location, you can keep it. Go to the next. Okay, what is this actually? So Maven is having some kind of collection of project template. You will feel that what in the project template. If you want to, what is that? Develop some kind of what is that? Enterprise Java application means you can use this one. Okay, if you are looking for web application project means you can use this particular template. Okay, likewise there are so many templates are there in the Maven. Okay, what is that? What is the use of this one? It will create the ready-made platform. Ready-made platform, or you can say this. It's a kind of cooked food. See, if you go to in Canada, what will happen? Let me go to the layman level language. In Canada, what will happen? Working people generally they won't cook it. Okay, right now summer has started, right? The people will work for 3 jobs because here the sunlight will start from sun rays from morning 5 o'clock and sunset around 10 o'clock, night 10 o'clock. So here is a lengthy summer will be there. Okay. In India, most probably, it will wake up, sun will rise around 7, 6:30 something, right? Then automatically 6:30 it will close. But in Canada, what will happen? The sun is 5 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So what will happen? People will be working more and more during the summer, right? So what will happen? They don't have the time to cook it. What will happen? They will go to the any kind of shops. There is a TV dinner, ready-made dinner. They will take it, put it in the oven, heat it, eat it. That's all. So what is that actually? The food is already ready. Go and pick it and eat it. Similarly, the project template, everything. You want to perform some, develop some activity using the core Java, using that, what is that? Selenium. You want to develop something. The framework, everything already, the basic template, everything, they made it ready. That is nothing but this Maven template. This term they are calling as a archetype. Okay, so here is what I'm going to select. I'm going to select this one. Quick start. Maven archetype dot quick start. Okay, go to the next. What do you make group artifact? Group means it's a company name. Okay, group means a company name. What do you mean by company name? If you're developing any software means you can keep on company name. Okay, for example, if I'm just going to here, okay, here is the one, right? Here is, if we go with that actually, dev.selenium.hello, arg.openqa.selenium. What is this arg? Actually, it's a domain, but they keep it as a name as organization. What about this one? It's a dev organizations. What about this one? It's a project. OpenKey is a project. Right, team? See that here is OpenKey is a project. Sorry. OpenKey is a, what is this? Group ID. Selenium is a project. Compare it here. This is group ID, artifact ID. Group ID, artifact ID. Okay? Because it's in other language, I do not explain that. Group ID, artifact ID. Group ID, artifact ID. Similarly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the group ID is T2C group. It means Tirunelveli to Canada group. Something I put it. Again, I need to put the same thing. You can put your own name, Sriram group, something and put it. What is the artifact I can give? I am going to give that, training, Selenium. That is the project name. Simply finish it. So what will happen? It is going to create the project for you, project template for you. You can see it here. See that? If you go, that is done, right? If you expand it, what will happen? This entire template is ready, right? So SRC main, SRC test. What is this? This is Java. This is a Maven dependency. Everything is ready. Okay. If you see in the previous project, right? If you go to this one, right? The TMB bank something, right? If we go here is, this is also project. We have the Java library. But here also we have the Java library. But here is extra dependency they added. What is that actually? It's a Maven dependency. How this Maven dependency created actually? It is created with the help of one XML. That XML is called palm.xml. Where is XML? Here is the one. I'm just opening this XML. If we open it, what is that actually? What is this? It's a group. The group ID, we put it right. T2C. What is artifact? You put it here. 0.00, sorry, 0.0.1 snapshot. What is your packaging? You want to package this particular project in var or EAR, or what form you want to pack it. Don't confuse about that. We'll explain later. Okay. Again, but this is fine. Is there any other way to understand? Yes. If you go to the here, you will get the XML. Same stuff in the UI. It is showing in the form of XML. Okay. And you will feel that actually. Bas, you told that Selenium something. Where is the Selenium? Right? That is also one more question, right? Where is the Selenium? Yes. So To keep the Selenium, I don't want this JUnit, right? What is the unit testing framework we opted actually? We opted TestNG. How to put this TestNG here? We don't want this one, right? TestNG, everything, we don't want this. So delete it. I want to add that TestNG. What are the things I want to add? I want to add Selenium. Core Java is already here. So I want Selenium. How to get the Selenium? So very simple. There is a site called this Maven dependency or MVN repository. If you go to here, MVN repository, if you go to this particular site, I'll put it in here. Okay, you can type it Maven I am going to type Selenium. If we go to this one, okay, you will find all the Selenium versions. See, the latest release of the Selenium is 4.29. You feel that was I want the very old release, Selenium 2.0. No problem. You can take it this one, which is released 13 years before. Okay. So which Selenium version you want? You just go there, click it on this one. Okay, you will feel so many stuff, right? These are all different building tool. Okay. So which building tool you are using? You are using the Maven. So click it on the Maven tab. So this is copy this dependency. Just to copy, and what you have to do? You have to paste it here. Simple, save it. See that what it is doing actually? It means it's building the workspace. You'll feel that what is mean by building the workspace actually. Building the workspace means this whatever the software you mention, it will automatically download it from the MVN repository and will keep it in your local system. You'll feel that how it is automatically downloading and your local system means where it will be stored. It will be stored in the M2 folder. How can I check my M2 folder? You can find it in here. Okay, if you expand it, okay, see that it's all the things. C user susi M2. Go to here. C user susi and M2. See that repo. And again, you'll feel there was so many folder. Where is my Selenium? How to find it? Very simple. Where it is? Where is your organization? ORG. It means your group ID. Which one is? It's a artifact ID. So ORG is a folder. Selenium HQ is a folder. Where is the ORG? This is the one. Where is the Selenium? This is the one. Selenium HQ is the one. Where is the next one? Selenium. Okay, these are all the different stuff. So how this software is when it is downloaded? See that the time is see that March 9, 10:23 a.m. Right now only it is downloaded. All the stuff. So it is supporting for IE driver, IE browser, all the Firefox browser, Edge browser, Chrome browser, Safari browser, everything it is supporting. Okay. So your Selenium is ready right now. Okay, but I don't want to use that actually. I want to use some different Selenium versions. Can I use it? Why not? So what do you have to do? You have to tomorrow some Selenium versions change. No problem. Just you have to update only this particular number, version number. It will automatically update it. Okay, see that actually I created some kind of my version is what is the version I used it actually in my training purposes. I used this one 4.1.2. There is no written rule that you need to use the same thing. For my training purposes, I'm just using this. Let's see what will happen. I'm taking this 4.1.2. I'm pasting here. I'm saving this. What will happen? Again, the respective version it will go and download it. My Selenium is ready. What about the other one? I want the test ng, right? The test ng is, you'll feel the bus Java is already there, right? Java is already there. No need of this one. Java is coming with the default. This is what your project, right? Training Selenium is a project. Java is already there. One more beauty is you have to ensure that it is compatible with that. Okay. So what I'm going to do to compatible with that, actually, just going to this one. I'm going to refer the, what is that? Java version 11. Do the right click. Okay. Configure build path, library. Okay, what is the version it is referring? It is referring the JDK 1.8. I don't want this 1.8. I want 11. What you will do? Just to go there. Okay, just go to that. Click on the. See, I'll repeat one more time. Go to the library. Go to the edit. Go to the alternate JRE. Okay, go to here. Install the JRE. Okay, again select it. Edit it. What is the version it is referring? JDK 1.8. I'm not looking for JDK 1.8. Then I'm looking for 11. Go to this here, C, program file, Java, JDK 11 I'm looking for. Copy this. Okay. Paste it here. What is it actually? What happened? Give me only one moment. Add it, no issue. Standard here. Okay. Why it is saying is system library is not found. Why it is saying it was referring for me. Go to here, go to here, go to the program file. Okay, go to the Java, go to the JDK, go to the OK. Still, why it is not showing this? Delete it. Go to here, go to here, go to here. Target is not a JDK. Oh, okay, okay, got it. Okay, I got it actually. What it is talking about here. So what I have to do, I have to mention this target version in this one. Okay, I'll explain that. What is that? Like everything. Just to go there. Okay, just to go here. Okay, delete this one. You'll feel that, but what is this actually? You added something like property something. It means, okay, it's a properties file for the particular project. Okay, this is, ignore about that actually. It's a standard, right? Unicode text format standard actually. Forget about that. This one is I'm saying this project has to use a Java 11. Okay, your code, your Selenium has to refer Java 11. Your Selenium is developed using the Java, right? So your Selenium has to refer Java 11. Again, you'll feel the Selenium is supporting only Java 11. No, Selenium is supporting for Java 7 also, 8 also, 11 also. Latest version also it is supporting. So no need to worry about that. For my project, I'm just using this Selenium 11. So your source code will refer the 1.11. It means Java 11. Your target also will refer the 11. Okay, fine. Now my source code is ready. Let me delete this unnecessary stuff. Delete it. Okay, now delete it. I will explain why I am deleted. Okay, now let me go to here. Still it is referring the this one, right? I am not looking for this one. I'm targeting is 11. So what do you have to do? Again go to that configure build path. Okay, remove it. Okay, then add, sorry. Oh God, why it is not adding that? Why target is not JDK root? System library was not found something. I could see that actually. I'm not sure why it is keep coming. It's not referring that actually. I'm also doubt about that why it is not referring. It should refer. Let us ask ChatGPT. That will help. Go there in Eclipse. Okay. So go to this. What is this? It's saying this. Okay. Go to the Eclipse preference. Go to the installed JRE. Add standard VM. Okay. Okay. Let's go to here. Okay. Go to this Windows preference. Preference. Okay. Then Java installed JRE. Click it on Java. This is a installed JRE. Then click it on add. Okay, standard VM. Next. Okay. Then set the installation path is JDK 17 something. Okay, the same thing I did it actually. Installation path. Where I have to put it? Set the JDK installation path. Same thing I did it here. I just copied this. I put it here. Here is saying this, installation path is not working. I don't know. It was work yesterday for me. Till this one only I have to put it and finish it and close. I don't know why it is not working. Let me close the Eclipse one more time and rerun it. Give me a moment. It's a kind of troubleshooting for me. Training here, here, here. Open it. I tried with the same stuff yesterday. It was working. Today I'm not sure why it is. Configure. Do the right click on the project. Configure. Build path. Okay. Go to the library. Go to here. Go to the edit. Go to this one. Okay. Here is nothing. So alternate one. Install the JDK. Okay. Here is what I did. I have to. Here is the default one is it's showing the this one. But instead of that, what I have to do, I had to select Java 11. That's what I did it yesterday. It is working fine. Today, why it is creating the trouble? Instead of this one, you have to put JDK 11. Strange. It's totally strange. One more also standard VM. Something problem with that. Let me troubleshoot it and let you know. Okay. I don't want to waste the time here. Why it is not working? I am not sure about that. I need to troubleshoot it actually. So here is a good only because the solution is given us. This is a one. The same solution only they said it. Yesterday I did the same thing. I did it. Let me go with this here. What is the Java version it is referring right now? Java hyphen version. It is referring 8 or 11. It's referring 11 only. Then why not? The target is not a JDK root something. It is saying system library was not found. It's a JDK actually. It's a JDK. See that? But it is saying this. It's not a JDK. It's a JDK only. I'm not sure why it is not referring. But let me debug it. Let you know. Okay. I don't want to waste that actually. Waste your time. I'll let you know. Okay. Fine. Now. Okay, assume that time being, I have the JDK, what is that? Mm, this 8.0 right now I have. So I'm going with the 8.0 right now, time being. Okay, I have to make it as 8.1.8 something. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Next one is, what I have to do. I have to go with the test ng. What is a test ng? Test ng is a unit testing framework actually. Okay, I told right. What is the use of this unit testing framework? You can compare your actual and expected result. That everything will happen with the help of this particular unit testing framework only. Okay, at the same time, process is called as assertions. Okay, comparing the expected and actual result, right? That's that process called as assertions. At the same time, you can control the program flow. That is called as annotations. We are going to talk about that. And we can use some of the listeners as well. Okay, that is also we'll talk about the listeners. Okay, if anyone is in interview asking, that means people is always whenever I ask the question in the interview, hey, what is the framework, unit testing framework you are using? This people will be saying this, I'm using the hybrid framework. No, boss, automation framework is different, your unit testing framework is different. So have this difference. Automation framework is your entire project structure is the automation framework. Unit testing framework means to compare the actual and expected result, this kind of unit testing framework. Okay, unit wise, that is why your step wise, your particular scenario wise, that is the unit testing framework. Helpful actually. Annotation means you can control the program flow. Before do this activity, that one. After doing this activity, do this one. That is annotations. Listener means what is the use of this listener? Listener, whatever the activities are happening in this particular test cases, everything it will be listening. Okay, we'll see one by one. Technically, if we call it as if you take the listener, that is nothing but it's an interface. Okay, but we'll talk one by one. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the point. There is a test ng. How to do that? If we go to here is in the I have working project, right? So working project is whatever the test ng I used it here means this is a version 7.0. Okay, this is the one I used it. Otherwise, I will copy the entire stuff. Okay, Selenium, test ng, extend report, everything. Whatever the stuffs are, displayed under the dependency, I will explain one by one. Copy this entire step I'm putting here. Okay, copy the entire step I'm putting here. Okay, dependency sections. You'll feel that, but this is you got it from Maven. What about this one? How did you get it? Same story. That is the same story. Just to go to here. Okay, go to here. Same here, test ng. What is the version I'm using here? I'm using the version is 7.7.0. See that? This is the one. You copy from here and put it there. Okay. And what about this one? This is for reporting purpose. You are looking for some kind of HTML report means that you can use it. Time being, we are not going to touch it. What about this Apache way? Okay, this is for open source one. I will explain. Hold your thought. We'll talk about later. What about this one? Okay, this is for again some kind of other library purpose. Time being, hold your thought. Okay, you don't go into the deeper one. I will explain later. Okay, if you ask me that simple, what does that means? To read the Excel or to put the log everything, we are using this three jar or what is that three softwares. Time being, ignore it. We'll talk later stage. Now we are going to focus about Selenium test ng. Even the reporting part also I will explain later. Okay, fine. Selenium and test ng. Okay, Selenium and test engines are ready. Selenium ready, Java is ready. You feel the Java is not ready, but we have the 1.8 is there. 1.11 only, Java 11 only it is not installing, right? But I have the Java 8 is already in the framework. Okay. And what about XPath? Do we need to install XPath? No, no need to do the install XPath. Test change is ready. And Maven is already ready because it's a Maven project, right? Reporting, no need of reporting. I added the record jar. It means the jar everything here. I added jar means the record dependency. Dependency means the software, right? That is I added. Okay, but I will do it later. Okay, now how to start that actually? So only dependency is enough, not that one. Only the dependency is not enough. This pom.xml contains two different important sections. One is dependency. Dependency is nothing but required software. Okay, what about the other important sections? That is nothing but build. I told, right? Maven will build something. That is also important sections. I'm just completely copying here, putting here. I'll explain. Okay, build. These are all the build. Okay, what do you mean by build actually? Build is nothing but it's a what will happen here? It will build your source code. What is the source code? My source code is in Selenium, my source code is in Java, my source code is in TestNG. Three different software I have to build it, right? How to build it? If it is Java means we can use JDK, right? But here is it's a three different software. That is nothing but to compile your particular software. All the stuff is we are going to use some kind of plugin. The plugin name is compiler plugin. This is the one. Okay, this is the one, right? It's a plugin. The plugin called as compiler plugin, Maven compiler plugin. You'll feel that. Plus, you copied from that to here, but how can I get it from my end? Nothing, same stuff. Copy this name, the artifact name, copy and put it here. Same Maven repository. Search it. You will get it here. Whatever the version you want. So the version I'm using is 3.8.1. Why are using this 3.8.1 instead of this one? Because my software, my Selenium version, TestNG version, it is compatible with this one. If there is any uncompatible, it will throw the error. So my version is compatible with this one. Okay, team? So that's what I'm using this one. Okay. Now, compiler is ready. What in my source actually? My source is it is referring the JDK 1.8. I can also put 1.8, no issue. Here also I can put 1.8, no issue. Because my 11 is creating the trouble, right? So, but I can also put it like 1.8. Because I'm not able to set that 1.11, right? That's what I'm putting this 1.8. I will come to know. I'll explain that why it is not, I'll do the troubleshooting and let you know the solution. Okay, compiler plugin is ready. What is the use of this one? Surefire plugin. It is for running your unit testing, test cases. So that is called as a Surefire plugin. Okay, you'll feel that actually. This is also where you'll be getting same stuff. Just to go there and type it here. Over here. Go there. Then you will find it here. What is the version I chosen here? 2 point something, right? 2.2 something. It's a very old version I'm using that. This is the one. Just to copy and put it there. Okay, in this XML, if you're making some little bit mistake, it will keep throwing the error. Now, then you have to troubleshoot it. So for your safer side is what I will do. I will share this form.xml in my job description. You just to consume it and put it in your form.xml. Okay, so whenever you are creating the project, okay, whenever you are creating the project, what you have to do? Assume that actually you are creating the project. Okay, you are creating the project. I'll go to the first one. Okay. So whenever you create the project, what will happen? You'll be getting like this, right? You'll be getting only test ng, sorry, JUnit. You'll be getting like this, right? Suppose I am sharing the form.xml with you for training purpose. What you will paste it actually? The thing is just deleted everything. Okay. This is a form.xml. I'm going to give it to you. What do you have to do? You have to copy from where? From here to here. Okay, from top to down. Starting from dependency from here to here. And what you have to do? Go to the edit, copy. I copied. Directly what you have to do? You have to go to your project. What is the project? This is the one. Just what you have to do? You have to control V, paste it. So what will happen? Your all the record software, everything, it will be downloading from the system. It will be down automatically storing into your empty folder. Your all the steps are ready. It's a single shot. Okay. And you'll feel that, boss, what is this actually? This is everything is ready. This is also ready. What is this? Something like, suit, configuration, something. This part is I'll cover it later. Okay, I'll recap it one more time because I explained a lot more. Simple. What you have to do, first of all, go to open the Eclipse, go to here, new Maven project, right? Select the Maven project, go to the next, go to the next, select the quick project, put your artifact ID, whatever the project name, put your group ID, finish it. Then you will get the project like this. Okay, you will get the main Java, test Java. I will explain that what is main Java something. Okay, test Java. Ask a question, or if you have a question, delete it, that one. Okay, set the JDK. Okay, JDK is important, not JRE. JDK, you have to set that JDK. Okay, fine. Now go to the pom.xml. In the pom.xml, I'm going to share this particular XML. Okay, this pom.xml for you. All the pom.xml where I'm going to share it right now. Where in our training section. Let me go to our poster section, right? I'll go into paste it. Okay, so what you have to do? This is the pom.xml I posted. Okay, here is what are the stuff you have to copy. You should copy from here onwards, from dependency to till this level you have to copy. Okay, this stuff is you must be having this. Okay, remove your JDK default, sorry, remove your JNet stuff. What about this one? You will be getting you whatever the project. If you are putting like your artifact it is Sriram group is, you will be getting Sriram group as a group ID. Here is Sriram project means you will be getting the artifact that is Sriram project. This one is leave it as it is. Okay, and what about this one? Leave as it is. Here is what you have to do. You have to set your version accordingly. If you want to put it as JDK, you have the Java 8 means put it as 1.8. Okay, if you have Java 11 means put it as Java 11. Okay, so it's very simple for you. Once you paste it, then you can proceed with the further programming. I will explain that. I'll recall it one more time. This pom.xml contain majorly two steps are there. Okay. This pom.xml contain two steps. One is build. Another one is dependency. One is dependency. Another one is build. What is the use of dependency? It will download the software. Whatever you mentioned in the dependency sections, that software will be downloaded from the Maven repository. It will store it into your empty folder. Okay. What is the use of this build XML tag? It will build your test case. It means your scripts, and it will do the unit testing. That is what the build one, build attack. So in the build attack is whatever stuff we have two stuff. One is Maven plugin, Maven compiler plugin. Another one is Surefire plugin. The compiler plugin will compile the code. Surefire plugin will run your unit test. Okay. What about this dependency tag? Dependency tag, all the softwares, whether it is Selenium, whether it is TestNG, all the things it will be there. If you feel that I want to add more software mean, no problem. Just keep on adding into the dependency sections. Okay. And if you noted that actually I added extend report, I added Excel stuff, I added log4j stuff, that I will explain in the later part of the explanations. Okay. Now ready. Where all the steps are ready. What you have to do, you will feel that there are some kind of errors are keep coming, right? To avoid this error, what you have to do? You just go there, do the right click. Okay. Go to the Maven update project. Select this offline, select this force, click OK. So automatically your error is gone, right? Your error is gone, right? So what do you have to do? You have to create the, what do you mean by project? You already know that. In the first session we talked about, what do you mean by project? Project is nothing but it's a collection of packages. We are going to create one package. Do the right click it on the new, click it on the package. I'm going to create one, test Selenium. That's a package I'm going to create. Okay, you'll feel that. Okay, that's all. I have to automate this particular TC, right? How to automate this particular TC? Do the right click, new. I have to create my class, right? How to create the class actually? Generally, in previous program is what we did actually. It just we are going there, new class something we are going, right? Something like test class something. Simply we'll go there. This one. This is the way we will be doing in the Selenium, right? Sorry, normal Java, right? System.out.println. Welcome to. This is the way we will be doing, right? Welcome to Tutorial Valley to Canada channel. Okay, just to read over there. This is the way we'll be doing, right? But script also in Selenium script is, do we need this main? We are not going to do this manner. Then how we are going to do? We are going to write our automation script using the testng class. How to create the testng class? Do the right click, new, other testng. This is a testng class. Why? In the real time is they will do in such a manner only. So go to here, you will get this structure actually. You will get this structure, okay? So what you have to do? You have to mention your, what is that, test name, Mercury, sign in test. What is my Mercury sign in test actually? So we are going to automate this particular test case, right? This is a test case we are going to automate. What is the Mercury actually? What is the site name? This site name is Mercury, Mercury 2, right? That is what the site name, right? Mercury 2. Yeah, Mercury 2 is a site name. So I just kept it the name as Mercury Scientist. Copy this, copy the same name, dot XML. What is the use of this XML? Hold your thought. Okay, create the class name, put this XML, save it, hold your thought. I understand that. Whenever you create this one, you will be getting like this. Okay, do the right click, run as test engine test. Okay, now it is giving the exceptions. I'll come to, I'll explain that. Okay, it is coming like this, right? It is giving the exception, but I will sort it out because of the Java compatibility. It is giving the exceptions. Okay, what is that actually? But there is no main. In the previous one is we are seeing the public static void main, but here is there is no main. Then how does suit will be coming? And I could see something like only the method only, but I could see something like a test. That is nothing but annotations, test annotations. This one is called as a test method. Okay, this is called as a test method or your test scripts. Okay, your test scripts. Okay, give me only one moment. What you have to do? You have to build it. Okay, completely. You have to clean. Okay, what do you mean by this clean means? Whatever the stuffs are present in this. Okay, there is in Maven. There are some set of activity. Okay, Maven is a big stuff. Okay, they have some kind of life cycles. Okay, so many different stuff, sir. I don't want to confuse right now. If you want, maybe I can explain after this complete session. Okay, time being, always what you have to do, if you're doing any kind of code changes, what you have to do? You have to clean that actually. Do the right click, Maven, you have to clean. Then you have to start with your test. I'll explain one by one slowly. Okay, fine. Now, this is a one, right? It is keep giving the errors because it is not unsupported version of the Java. It is giving this. Okay, let me go there. Again, we will go and set the path. We'll try to set the path. It's set. I don't know why it is not. Here is also I set it for 1.8. There also set it 1.8, but I don't know why it is not working. Here is I set it as same thing only. Here also set it as okay 1.8. Here also 1.11 only set it. Here is I set it as 1.8. 1.8 and 1.11. Yesterday I tried it, it was working. And today I'm not sure why it is not working. But let us try one by one. Okay, I'll do the. I'm just updating the Maven project. It's giving the error as Java error only. It is giving this. Oh, unsupported version of the test engine is giving this. Oh, sorry. Let me go to here. Let me go to my chat GPT, copy this error, put it in the chat GPT. Chat GPT will give the answer solutions. Copy and paste it. It is saying this unsupported version. I already downloaded Java 11 and installed it, but still it is saying this, it is not there. Okay, properties Java compiler, and it is project properties. Yeah, it is correct only. Everything is correct only. Still, why it is giving the trouble? Here also I set it for 11. If I set it for 8 also, it is giving the trouble. Let me delete it. Build is success. Compiled with Java 11. Runtime supports only for Java 8. Correct. But my code is not compiled with Java. I can go with the 8. Maven update. Let me clean it. Okay, let me run it. Still, I am facing some issue with the Java version. That is the main problem. Okay, I will let you know about this stuff. Okay, sunlight came from me. Okay, I'll let you know about that one. Okay, but time being, this is a working one, so no need to worry about that. I have the working one. Okay, one more time I will explain this session. Okay, I have the working one already. If we go to this one, same stuff. Okay, I'll go there, create the package. Okay, something like test cell. I'm going to create it. The same thing, whatever I created in the other project. This project is working. Same setup only here, but I don't know why it is not working. But let me check it. test Selenium. I'll go here. I'll create the project. Okay, something like other. Here is Mercury test. Okay, then Mercury test.xml. I'll go with them. Do the right click. Oh God, how come? Again, again. How come it is working this one? Something happened in my system. Let me install the Java. I already downloaded yesterday. Install the JDK 11. Yes. This is a JDK I downloaded from the Java. The first day session I explained, right? How to download that in a JDK 11 everything, JDK 8 everything. Same way, I just downloaded the JDK 11 also. In the JDK 8, I explained that how to download it everything. Okay, let's see. Now I am going to open it. Let's see. If this is not sorted out, then I will explain in the offline session. Okay. It should work. This is very, very important one. If it is not working, it is really risky for us. It should work because it's a base project. Still, I have the problem with my Java. Okay, I will sort out this problem and will take the session because without this we cannot proceed with the further explanations. Or give me only 1 moment. Okay, let me uninstall version 8 and let you know. It is not at all installed actually. Oh, JDK 11 is not at all installed here. Oh, here is there. Let me uninstall that actually. Okay, sorry for that actually. I will sort it out this problem. I will put the video in the offline. Okay. So sorry for that. Sorry for holding that actually. Thank you, Sriram. Yeah, hi. Oh, sorry. So many guys are keep attending. Sorry for that actually. I'm facing some kind of Java issue right now. Okay, so that's what I'm not able to set up it actually. Okay, I will set up Java. I'll put the video offline. How to set up this Maven project, everything. Sorry for the team. Okay, without this Java setup, I cannot run the Maven project actually. But I explained about that, but you can try. Okay. If you have that, Java already in the system, you try with this one. Definitely it will work. Okay. And also you copy this program. I'll put the program, the sample program also. I'll put it. You try it offline. Definitely it should work. Okay. My system is, having very less space. So okay, very, very less space. So it will take time for, troubleshooting everything. Okay, team. So I'll put the program, the sample Selenium program, everything. I'll put it in the poster section here. In the section, in the poster section, I'll put that sample program, everything. Okay, create the Maven project. Whatever I discussed, you copy and paste it in the permanent XML. Okay, and the sample program is, I'll put it right now in the poster section. You paste it. Okay, let us try for the last one. If it is worked, then well and good. If it is not worked, I have to troubleshoot it and let you know. Okay, the topic is we are going to cover in Selenium is lot more. Okay, it is not limited to only the particular one because most of the interview questions are there keep pushing in this particular Selenium only. Okay, so there is no limited like oh it's a 10 class, not like that. The class I'll be covering for all the directions. So initially I'll covering the Selenium Java, sorry, Selenium test ng with the basic stuff. Slowly, once the entire test scenarios are covered, Selenium concepts are covered, slowly I'll be adding the Cucumber. Okay. Cucumber, how to, BDD framework, everything is working. Okay. Then once the Cucumber done, then we'll slowly go with the Jenkins. So once the Jenkins done, then what I will do? If possible, okay, I will try to use the Azure. Okay, then the entire flow is done means then I'll be moving to the Selenium C sharp. It is a plan right now. That is a plan for this T2C travel. God, why it is taking time? Sorry for that. I don't want to take your time, team. Okay, I'll close the session. My bad luck actually. Thank you for attending. Okay, go through this video. I'll stop it this one. Okay, go through this video. We'll meet some other day, or I'll record the session, put it in this live sections. Whenever you get a time, go through them. Okay, team. So people who are totally sorry, Prakash. Due to my system issue, Java issue, I'm not able to proceed further. It is taking time. Okay, and again, henceforth, sorry for that. Okay, due to the daylight saving, I started little bit earlier actually. Okay, my time is 10 o'clock only, but your time is going to be 6:30. Okay, going forward is every Saturday and Sunday, 6:30 p.m. in India time. I'll be on live. Okay, thank you.